Are you in Vineland and having trouble with your desktop PC? JTG Systems is here to help. Our experienced technicians will diagnose and repair your computer quickly and efficiently. We provide top-notch customer service, and our goal is to get your computer up and running in no time. We have a variety of services available to fit your needs, from malware removal to hardware replacement. Call us at 905-892-4555 and let us help you get back to work. JTG Systems can handle all your desktop PC repair needs in Vineland.